Hi everyone, it's Violet Amethyst. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I wanted to share this recipe of crunchy and soft lagay-mat. Anyway, I want you to know what is this lagay-mat. Lagay-mat is a famous or well-known dessert between Arabs, Egyptians, and Lebanese. Lagay-mat means small bites in Arabic, and that's exactly what they are, small bites of sweetness. Lagay-mat is the term used in Gulf countries. Lagay-mat is a kind of Arabian sweet dumpling. Lagay-mat are usually prepared during the month of Ramadan, and they are usually eaten for dessert. It is also a traditional dessert popular among the Arab countries and served with an Arabic coffee. So guys, in this video, I want you to share on how to prepare a crunchy outside and soft inside lagay-mat. To prepare our batter, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of yogurt. You can use either full cream or low fat. 1 tablespoon of yeast powder. 1 teaspoon of salt. A half teaspoon of saffron powder. 1.5 cup of water. And 1 cup of brown flour. First, dissolve the yeast into the water. And then we need to sieve our flour, our white flour and our brown flour. After sifting the flour, add the salt, yeast mixture, yogurt, and saffron powder. And then mix them together using an electric mixer for 3 minutes, or you can also use wire whip for 5 minutes. After mixing our ingredients, transfer into a large mixing bowl and cover with a clean cloth or nylon. Set aside for 1 hour or until our batter double its size. While waiting for our batter to double its size, let's prepare or boiled 1 medium size of potato and mash the boiled potato. After 1 hour, here is our batter. Mix our boiled mashed potato into the batter mixture. In frying our butter, we must use a deep frying pan. Before frying, make sure that the oil you will use is already hot. After 1 hour, here is our butter. Then add the mashed potato. Mix it well. Now, let's fry our butter. We need a 1/2 cup of water and a medium spoon. To avoid the butter stick on your palm, I use gloves. Take a small amount of butter and gently press to come out a small balls between your fingers and scoop with the spoon and drop into the oil. To avoid the butter stick on the spoon, always dip the spoon into the water every time you scoop butter from your finger. While scooping the butter, you should maintain a medium flame and minimize how many balls can accommodate in your frying pan to avoid them from sticking together. Once the dumpling has started to pop up from the oil, turn on the flame into a high temperature and keep on mixing gently while frying the dumplings. Just like this, to maintain an even color while frying. To achieve the crunchy texture outside the dumplings and the golden yellow color. Once the dumpling has turned into a golden yellow color, remove from the oil and put in a colander to drain the remaining oil. After frying the dumplings, dip them into a prepared sugar syrup for dumplings. I will put on the description box the link of video on how to prepare a sugar syrup for dumplings. Do not leave long time the dumplings on the sugar syrup so that it will not absorb a lot of syrup and to avoid the dumplings from getting soft. And remove from the sugar syrup, put on a colander to drain the excess syrup. This is my version of crunchy lagemat. And now this is our lagemat. Thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Violet Amethyst. Thank you for watching. So this is it, our crunchy lagemat.